Hey, so if Mailchimp is not sending emails, yeah, like your campaign is stuck, emails are not delivered, or nothing goes out, that can be really frustrating. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you how to fix it. First, go to your campaign dashboard and check if it's actually scheduled or still in draft. I mean, emails won't send if it's not properly scheduled. Next, yeah, make sure your email domain or sender address is verified. I mean, unverified emails often fail to send. Now, make sure your internet is stable. I mean, connection issues can interrupt sending processes. Yeah, sometimes the issue is on their side. I mean, server downtime can delay or stop email delivery. Now, certain content, links, or spam triggers can block email sending. I mean, Mailchimp may pause suspicious campaigns. Yeah, make sure your audience list is valid and not empty. I mean, no recipients means no emails sent. Now, too many risky links or attachments can trigger sending blocks. I mean, simplify your email if needed. Yeah, session bugs can stop sending. Logging out and back in refreshes your account connection. If nothing works, contact Mailchimp support. I mean, there may be account level restrictions or sending limits. So yeah, that's how you fix Mailchimp not sending emails. Most of the time, it's setup issues, verification problems, or server delays. Try these steps and your emails should go out again. Thanks for watching.